Hello, 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 hello. This is my first day, trading day of the year. The futures is open at about almost an hour ago. I've already made my first trade. Let's see what our trade is. Here's my opening play of the year for a potential $500 profit. And what I did is I did a credit spread on the Nasdaq future options. I played January 11th, and I sold a 11,580 and bought the 11,750 for a $500 credit. And what we're hoping for is that the Nasdaq doesn't go up to 11,580. And then I'm looking at the chart. Right now it's 11,045. So we have a 500 point of cushion within 8-9 days. But I'm going to do another play. This is just my opening play of the year. This is my $13,000 account. I started with 13,000 and we're still I blanked out my account number so I can show my P&L, and also I can show you my Robinhood account. I can't make plays on that because I don't have futures on the Robinhood account, but see, we put $1,000 in there, and this is these are from profits from last year. So I'm not going to do anything on Robinhood until tomorrow morning. So I'm going to leave that brewing. But we can play futures. It starts at 3 p.m. today, and it's almost been up in an hour. On our play, we already made $17. And it says we made some of this collateral we used. I believe this was like $6,000 in collateral. But that means it's just we need that much in our account, but we're not going to risk that much because I always have alerts and I always watch the screen, so I'm never going to lose more than $100 to $200 max. And again, these are basic options. I'm selling somebody else an option to buy 100 contracts for 1180. I did two of them, so. But I wanted round numbers this year. So this is my $13,000 account, and it says we have a buying power of 13,190. But before I did this play, it had like $12,999.99. So, but that's it, man. I'm gonna see how much we can make this month and see what happens. See which account I'm going to double first. You think I'm going to double the $1,000 account to 2,000, or do you think I'm going to double the $13,000 account to 26,000? Guess what? Put some comments and see which one I'll double first. All right. That's it. This is going to be a boring. It's only been 3 minutes, so yeah. But I might make another play on Nasdaq. But I'm going to wait till the regular stock market opens at 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, and I might play Tesla because Tesla's been going up and down like crazy. And as long as the stock goes up and down, you can make money. So and it closed at. The Tesla closed at like 120 something on Friday, and people are saying this thing is going to dump all the way down to 100. So I'm going to wait till tomorrow, see if I can play Tesla. I like my Tesla, Amazon, or I'm just going to stick with futures. Yeah, it's better off sticking with futures. We can look at gold. Gold's gone up. Gold has gone up since the market opened. The futures market opened at 3, and it has gone up $9. And the S&P 500 futures has basically broke even. The Nasdaq is the only one that really has gone higher because it has the most bang for the buck. I like that one. That's why I play it. See, this is the market opening at 3 o'clock. the futures market. Popped way back up there, down, and went back down, but still, it's still above the closing price on Friday. So we're still good. I don't know why it doesn't show the capital requirement on there. It's kind of crazy. Anyways, this is using yeah, this is actually, it shows right here. So I'm using a little, almost half of the collateral on this account for this one trade, right? So I'm making, so say 6, 7, 14, yeah, about 5 to 6,000 collateral I'm using. So I'm shooting for maybe 5%. If this works out 100% in my favor, it will be like a about 10% return on the money in a week. But I'm still going to make more plays because our goal is to get this account up to 26,000 by the end of the month, or get this account up to 2,000 by the end of the month. I don't know which one I'm going to do first, but it's going to happen. It's just a matter of time, but it might take 2 months. Who knows? Anyways, that's it. I'm going to do another video in the morning. See, and I might make more plays, but the trading videos are way too long. It's going to be super boring. All this is just waiting. It's just like watching paint dry, and that's it. You just wait till it goes in your favor. It goes up, down. If this thing goes down, I'll probably make $100 by tonight. But let's see what happens. All right, bye, ciao.